You understood at least how we are writing the sign charts?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
And what we are finding with the sign chart?
Yes.
How
Yes.
we are using it. Now we'll have more qualities. Only I want to ask from you. These ones are given like this, but I will not give you the solutions directly like this. I will show you another way. But I want to ask you, for example, when we have, let's say x plus 1 greater than 0. This, how we call this one? Linear
Equation.
linear inequality. Linear
Inequality.
inequality.
Yes.
So if I want to draw a sign chart for this one, how I was drawing it?
Plus minus plus, because the first thing is.
What is the critical point here?
It will be -1.
Only -1. We have only one critical point.
Then it will be
Minus infinity, plus infinity. Here the dot will be filled or empty?
it will be empty because it is
so it will be
only great.
Okay. X plus 1. Now, Tringa, this is linear inequality, not equation, inequality. Do you remember how we were writing the signs in linear inequality? Here I will start with the same sign of A or opposite sign of A.
I think teacher plus.
What is A here?
A plus, yeah. Plus,
1.
plus minus.
But
plus.
no, here you have only one root. You don't have plus, minus,
Okay.
plus. There is no changing anymore. But because it is linear and the A is positive here, we are starting with the opposite sign, with negative. And then because I have a root here, it will change to
Positive, yeah.
okay. Now here, I will take them separately because it is given directly how you can write as one sign chart, but I will show you step by step. So if we have x plus 1 times x minus 3 greater than 0, again, we will find the critical points first. Okay? How we were finding?
Is equal to 0.
0. So x1, because it's given as multiplication two different expressions, directly I can write that x1 is equal to
-1.
-1 and the x2 is equal
And
to
x2 is
plus
equal to 3.
3. The others, do you understand why we are writing like this? Do you remember?
Yes.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
I think the sign chart, x here minus infinity, I have -1, 3, and plus infinity. Now here, because I have two different expressions, I will write them separately. X plus 1 here, x minus 3 here, okay? And their multiplication will be down as a result. Okay? Now,
okay.
-1 is the root of first expression, yes? So I do the dot here. And 3 is the root of the second expression, and the dot will be here. These two dots, these two circles, small circles, means that they are the roots of these expressions, okay? Now, what it will change? To have a dot or not to have dot in that column. So this is linear inequality. And how we're starting to write the signs? With the
Opposite one.
With the opposite.
Opposite. If x is positive here, I will start with negative. Then the dot here, then it will change to positive. Because I don't have any dot here, it will continue as positive. Okay? Now here again, it's linear, first degree I mean. So I will start with minus
plus.
Minus
Plus.
then plus. Now what I have here at the end, multiplication of these two, then minus times minus will be plus, plus times minus will be minus, plus times plus will be plus. Okay?
Yeah.
Now what are we looking for? We are looking
for the positive one.
Positive ones greater than 0. Then the solution will be from minus infinity till here
Or -1.
-1, it is open, union from 3
Till positive.
Plus infinity.
plus infinity. So we are solving this one. When you have like this, you can write the sign chart separately, okay? Now here it's not that problem. I want to show you these ones. For example, when you have 3 different and division and multiplication and everything. Now, let me choose someone. Ermal is very serious. Ermal is looking to somewhere else. So Ermal.
No, teacher, I'm looking at the screen.
You were not looking at the screen. Now you're looking.
Teacher, can you go down a bit just to take a photo?
Okay.
It's okay, thank you.
Okay, Ermal, I hope that you have understood now. Let's solve with you the second one. I have x plus 1 over x minus 3 greater than 0. Now, what will be the critical points here, Ermal?
Critical points.
Look here, the critical points are these two.
Yes.
What will be the critical points here?
The same, teacher. It's the same.
The same.
Oh, it's division.
It's
The same is
division.
division.
Only here, like, we'll do x plus 1 is equal to 0 to find the critical point. X1 will be minus 1, but because this one is denominator, x minus cannot be 0, yes?
Yes.
So x cannot be 3, but again, this one is our critical point, okay?
Okay.
How we'll write the sign chart? Again, we'll have the same one. But here it is division, minus infinity, minus 1, 3, plus infinity. X plus 1 here, x minus 3 here, and then x plus 1 over x minus 3 is the result. Now, for the first expression, which one is our critical point or root? For this one.
-1.
Then I'm doing the dot here. And
yes.
Second one is 3. Guys, here we are saying x cannot be 3. If we have equality here, I mean, this root is not included in any time, okay? The root.
Yes, it cannot be. We found first.
Yes.
But why should we write it in the sign chart?
But it will change. It will change the sign of the expression.
Okay.
When it will be less than 3 and when it will be greater than 3, it will change the sign. Because of that, we have to write it. Now, how we are writing the signs here? The minus plus part.
Minus plus.
Why minus here?
Because it's going to be minus.
Because minus is here. I have written already here minus, yes?
I'm not looking at over there, teacher, because it's not the same there.
So what is the explanation? Why we are starting with minus?
Because it's lower than 0. It's negative.
No. Stephanie, why we are starting with minus?
Because x is plus, teacher.
Because x is positive, we are starting with opposite sign. Then here we have the critical point, it will change to plus, and then here again, plus, it continues. So also here it will start with minus, minus, then it will change to plus. Then minus divided by minus, minus over minus will be plus. Plus over minus will be
minus.
Plus over plus will be plus. Which one is our solution? It's greater than 0 here, the expression in the beginning. So what will be our solution? Which ones? Positive ones or negative ones? if the
Positive, teacher, because it's greater than 0.
yes, positive ones. So how I will write the positive ones as solution? It starts, I will check, it starts from minus infinity.
Minus infinity. Minus
Till-
infinity minus 1.
Yes.
And then 3 and then
And
plus infinity.
yes, 3 and positive infinity. While you're writing this one, I hope that you're writing. I will take the attendance. Guys, this is a really important topic. I mean, really take it serious. Don't think that, okay, it's online, we will do in the exam, we will take the marks, but it's not only the marks, this one, even if you will go to social class, you will see next year in math, okay? Sign chart. You will have somehow, okay? So take it serious. If you don't understand, ask me.
Teacher, why do we write the 3?
As I said, the 3 will change the sign. For example, when you will have roots, 3 is not included at all. But
Yeah.
if I will have a value like, let's say, 2.
Yeah.
So what will be 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 3? Then it will be 3 over minus 1. And then this one is 3 over minus 1 is minus 3. This is less than 0. It's not greater than 0. Then 2 cannot be our solution. You know, I need to find
Okay.
that place, that interval that is not the solution. Okay?
Okay, it's okay.
I'm not taking 3 as solution here, but 3 is only the critical point.
Just to change the sign of the...
Yes. It's the critical point that will change my solution interval. Okay.
Our only root here is minus 1.
Also, minus 1 is not included. It can
But
be.
teacher, it is a root.
Yes. But also here, we don't have equality. Minus 1 also is not included. Okay.
It's okay.
If you have finished writing, I hope that you are writing. Again, I am.
Teacher, I took a
Teacher, I
screenshot.
took screenshots. I will write after this.
You can continue, teacher.
Okay, so I am giving you chance. I'm giving you time to solve this one. Third one or fourth one is this one. This one. Try to solve with the same way, okay? While I'm taking the attendance. Yusuf is here. Yusuf?
Not here.
Yusuf is here.
Yes.
Okay, Anita?
I am here.
Okay, Alexander?
Here.
Here. Eva?
Here, teacher.
Here. Amra?
I'm here.
Okay, Yona?
Here.
Okay, Stephanie?
Here.
Okay, Fatih?
Here, teacher.
Fariye?
Here.
Okay, Twiga?
I'm here.
Okay, Ardita?
I am here, teacher.
Arta?
I'm here.
Giovanna?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay, Vesa? Vesa? No? Stanislav?
I'm here, teacher.
Salman?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay, Rumesa?
I'm here.
Okay, Sarah?
I'm here.
Kemal?
I'm here.
Hamza?
Here.
Besan?
Here.
Okay. Now, as I said, firstly, let me ask who wants to solve. Then, if I didn't like the result, I mean, who wants to solve the ones, I will ask, I will choose who will solve.
Teacher, wait 2 minutes more.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
We need to solve, teacher.
Yes, you need to.
Okay, okay, okay.
Let me check. What are you doing now? Are you writing or? Only I will ask Fatih to tell me the critical points of this expression.
Critical points, teacher.
Yes. Which points will make all these expressions zero? That are the critical points. For example, x plus 1 you have here. So what you will write instead of x to make it 0?
Teacher, I think
Minus
Minus 1. So x1 will be minus 1.
minus 1
x2
is
here.
2, teacher.
It will be 2 because we have here minus.
It's minus.
Yes, and x3
It's minus 4.
minus 4. But because this one is in the denominator, we are saying that it cannot be.
B. Yes.
Okay, I'm drawing the sign chart. Then which root is the smallest one, Fatih?
X plus 1.
Yeah, here we will write x plus 1 first. Then we have minus x plus.
Plus 2.
Then we have x plus.
Plus 4.
Yes. And the result at the end is x plus 1 times minus x plus 2 over x plus 4. Now here, which root I will write first?
Minus 1. Minus 4. Minus 1.
Minus 4 is the smallest one. I will start with minus 4, then minus 1.
Minus 1,
2.
2, plus infinity.
Yes, and then at the end, plus infinity. Now, here, minus 4 is the root of the third expression.
Plus 1, yes.
Yes. Minus 1.
First one.
First one. And 2.
And second one.
Second one. But here, what is the difference? Here we have equality. Which dots will be filled?
The positive.
Which
The
dots will be
negative ones
filled?
because it is less than.
No.
No.
Roots. This one will be filled and this one will be filled because these two can make it 0. Yes, but this one cannot be filled. This is empty. Okay, Because
it cannot be minus 4.
x cannot be minus 4. Okay? Did we understand?
It's
Yes.
okay, it's okay.
Okay. Alexander, how we are writing the signs? For example, how I will start to write here? The pluses and the minuses, how I will
Which one will be the first, teacher? Yeah.
the first one, yes?
X is positive, so it will be minus, teacher.
Minus, because here I don't have any point or dot. I'm continuing with minus. Then here, because I have this, it will change to
Plus, plus.
plus. What about the second one? How I will start?
Will be plus.
Plus, and minus.
Yes, plus and minus. And here,
Minus
Minus plus.
and plus.
yes, plus. Now, minus times plus will be, Erman,
Yes, teacher.
minus times plus,
Minus.
minus over minus,
Plus.
plus. So here the first one will be plus. Kibaria, what about the second one? What will be the sign at the end?
Minus.
Teacher, and if you
Minus.
were wondering, I was watching your class video. You can see.
You are watching my video. I am live now. You don't have to watch my
Teacher, I am trying to learn this. Please, you need to understand.
Oh Erman, boğdun beni Erman. Bak şu an şaşırdım. Anlamaya çalışıyorsun videodan. You're
Evet hocam, evet hocam.
the
Ama
video, but I am explaining right now something.
teacher, you are explaining now, but I'm what to explain.
Ah be Erman. Okay. Yes, I was asking Kibariye, what will be?
Minus.
Minus. And here?
Plus.
Plus. And at the end?
Minus.
Minus. Which ones will be our solution? Pluses or minuses?
The
Minuses.
minuses.
It's less than. Here it's less than 0. So that
Less than or equal to, so minus.
will be our solution. How I will write the solution? X is element of, I will start from
Minus 4 till
minus 4, it will be open. Then till minus
1 will be included.
1 will be included, union. Then 2 is included till positive infinity. It's okay?
It's okay. Teacher, in exam will we have this?
What do you think?
In the quiz, teacher, in the quiz. We have this in the quiz.
In the quiz, you don't have inequalities. You have the first part in the quiz.
So we don't have inequalities in the quiz?
In the quiz, you will not have inequalities. You will have the first part.
Only quadratic equations.
Yes, equation.
Teacher, quiz will be on the Moodle or?
Again, it will be in the Schoology. I haven't tried the Moodle till now, and I don't want to.
No, teacher, it has
No,
too many
teacher,
errors.
I haven't tried, and I don't want to risk, you know.
Yeah.
I will do in Schoology the place that I know. Now here, guys, we will have something different because we have this square. We have 5 minutes.
Teacher, yes, teacher, can I close my camera for 2 minutes?
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, Eva, what will be the roots for this expression?
Which teacher?
The
second
this
one?
Yes. We'll have x1 as
X1 will be 2.
yes. 2,
It will be 3.
3,
And 3, it will be minus 4.
but here you have minus. It will be
Plus
4, but
only 4.
cannot be. Yes.
Yes.
Only I want to tell you, in this case, x2 is the double root. Why? Here you have square. What does it mean?
Oh, teacher, I didn't saw the square.
No, it's not problem. I'm giving you as extra information because we haven't solved this kind of, because here you will have this x plus 3 times x plus 3. So you will have from here one root 3 and from here another root again 3. So the second root here, because this square, this is double root. Why I am writing this? Because when you have double root, the sign chart changes. Do you remember? In the
Yes.
let's see what will be. I have x here minus infinity, then I have 2, 3, 4 plus infinity. Then what is our expressions? X minus 2, x plus 3, x minus 4, and let's say this is, I will write a, and the result down is a. So 2 is the root of the first expression, yes. I will do the dot here, but it will be filled or empty, Eva? 2.
2 is empty, I think.
Look here, what we have. Here we have,
No, teacher, it's filled.
this one will be
It's
filled, yes. And for the 3, because it is double root, we will draw these double lines, okay? And 3 is filled.
Teacher, I think it should be -3. Or
Yes, minus 3. Sorry, yes, this is
Yes,
minus
teacher.
3.
I
And
was
it will change. Yes, sorry, yes. And it will change here.
yes.
Okay, thank you. So we have here minus 3, here 2. So minus 3 is the double root. Then I will draw double lines, and this one will be filled. And 2, we said that it is filled. 4 will be empty. Yes. Now, when I will start the signs to write, here I will start with
It will be minus.
minus, then
Plus.
plus. What
Minus.
about here?
Minus.
We had double root. Do you remember we said that the sign doesn't change?
Doesn't change.
So it will
Minus.
continue as minus. Okay?
Okay.
If I'm not wrong, now yeah, okay. I was confused. Now, in the third one,
Minus
Minus.
and plus.
minus, and now let's see. Minus times minus plus over minus. Minus times minus plus over minus. Now here we have plus times minus.
Minus.
Plus.
Plus.
It will be plus.
And
And
this
plus.
It will be minus.
Okay. Minus. Now let's see which ones we are taking as solution. It's less than. So
The negative.
Negative ones.
the
Minus.
negative ones we are taking the solution. So x is element from minus
Infinity till 2.
till 2
We
is
close parentheses.
union
Union from 4 to positive.
Plus infinity.
Yes. It's okay. Did we understand?
Yeah.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
The lesson is finished, I think.
Yes.
Okay, we'll see each other after break.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
See
Bye.
you.
Bye.
You, teacher.
Bye.
Goodbye, teacher. See you.
Bye. See you.